Here we're going to focus in on one of the new features that we'll find in the Adobe Bridge. In particular, we're going to take a look at how we can output to PDF and now do this a little bit more efficiently and effectively in regards to adding watermarks to our photographs. You know, for photographers, the PDF format is becoming more and more significant and important. Whether we're simply creating contact sheets or whether we're creating proofs or final prints for our clients in this format, one of the things that we want to know how to do is how to add watermarks to our images. And watermarks are really important because as a photographer, what we really have that's of value is our images. And learning how to protect those is, of course, of paramount importance. Well, first let's deconstruct how watermarking actually works. Well, if we go ahead and step back for a moment, we can see that in Adobe Bridge CS4, there's a panel for adding a watermark. Now here what we could do was we could add text, modify the text, and maybe change its opacity. While this was good, it was pretty limiting. Well, this has completely been revamped in Bridge CS5. Here you can see we have much more flexibility and a number of different controls. So what's actually happened here? Well, for starters, a few things have been rearranged so that they're a little bit more accessible. You'll notice we can still insert text, but now new is the ability to insert an image. Now this is where things get actually really interesting and creative. For example, we could insert an image of our logo and have that logo on top of our photographs. This can be incredibly helpful, say, to reinforce our overall photographic brand, or it can simply be an interesting way to create a unique watermark. You'll also notice down below we have a couple of controls which allow us to position the watermark a little bit more effectively. With these two offsets, horizontal and vertical, we can click and drag one way or another to move the watermark to the left or to the right. And of course down below you notice that we can now rotate the watermark as well. Well, now that we've been introduced to this topic of watermarking, let's go ahead and begin to take a look at how this works, and we'll do that in the next movie.